So Samsung totally surprised us all at the Unpacked event when they announced the Galaxy Ring. However, they left us hanging with zero info on what it can do, who it's meant for, or when it will hit the shelves. But guess what? Today's the day things take a turn because we've got a ton of details, including a hands-on experience shared by some journalists. What's up guys, Sal here. So Samsung's been in the wearable game since they dropped the OG Galaxy Gear smartwatch in 2013. They've got a bunch of cool smartwatches and fitness bands already, and now they're diving into a new category, smart rings. So get this, a Samsung executive confirmed that the company will launch the Galaxy Ring in the second half of this year, which means it's gonna go official alongside the Galaxy Watch 7 series, completing Samsung's wearable portfolio. I'm thinking July, right alongside the Z Fold 6. Now some big outlets with first-hand experience have spilled some details about the Galaxy Ring. First up, the ring is made from a premium titanium material and it will be available in 3 colors: silver, dark gray and gold. They say it's got that simple and sleek vibe and it looks similar to the Aura ring. In fact, they mentioned that it's so slick that folks might just mistake it for some fancy jewelry rather than a piece of tech. It's also very light, it's a featherweight, only 4 grams. And this is important because one crucial aspect of a smart ring is that it's gotta be lightweight and subtle, especially for nighttime wear, quietly tracking all your stats without feeling like a burden. Oh, and the Galaxy Ring will be Android only, iPhones need not apply. Now for the good stuff, what it can do. Well, the Galaxy Ring is all about keeping tabs on your health. It's like a smartwatch but smaller and without a display. Sleep tracking, step counting, heart rate, blood pressure. The main focus is on health tracking. Plus it can handle contactless payments, notifications, music control, and even boss your smart home around. Now I know what you're thinking, why bother when we've got smartwatches doing the same thing and more? And you're right, the Galaxy Ring isn't here to replace your Galaxy Watch, it's designed to coexist just like the Galaxy Fitness Band. Basically, the smart ring is for those who prioritize portability. If you're a health buff and want to track your stats without the wrist computer feel, this is for you. If you don't want to charge your wearable every other day, this is for you because it can easily last for a week. Smart rings are less intrusive during workouts and they're comfortable for bedtime wear. Also, if you want less screen distraction, then this is for you. Plus, smart rings are smaller and more lightweight, making them more comfortable to wear for extended periods. And finally, if you're not willing to splurge $400 or $500 on a smartwatch, then the smart ring is a better alternative because it's coming with a more budget-friendly price of around $250. Speaking of affordability, Samsung is also launching an affordable version of the Z Fold 6. Click here to know more, and I'll see you there.